Bonjour, je m'appelle Garima and today I am here to explain you about les prononciations. That means pronunciations. So, now vowels play a very important role for the pronunciation of any word. So now, like in English, there are 5 vowels. Okay, so first we'll start with vowel A. Okay, now vowel A has 2 pronunciations. One is A and the other one is A. Now, if a word begins with a vowel A, then it is pronounced as A. For example, A-D-O-R-E. So, because it is starting with a vowel A, so the pronunciation of this A will become A. So, it is pronounced as adore. Adore. So, I am not pronouncing it as A, I am pronouncing it as A. Adore. Okay. Now, the next rule in vowel A is if vowel A comes between a word, it is pronounced as A. So, for example, I have given a word P-A-G-E. Now, A is coming between a word. So, the pronunciation of this A will become A. So, this word will be pronounced as page. Okay? Page. The meaning is very simple. Page. Okay? Now, third rule in vowel A. If 2 A's come between a word, then the first A is pronounced as A and the second A is pronounced as A. So now in this word I have given you 2 A's. First and second. Now first A has the pronunciation of A and second A has the pronunciation of A. So, the pronunciation will become banan. Banan. Okay? Banan. So, the meaning of banan is banana. Okay? So, these 3 are the main concepts of pronouncing the words. Now, like A, 2 more vowels have the same concept. Okay? Now, the second vowel, I am not going to tell you the concept again. I'll just give you example. Okay? Now, next 2 vowels, that is I and U, has the same concept as I have told you for vowel A. So that's why I have just given you examples of those 3 concepts. So let's see for second vowel, that is I. So I has 2 pronunciations, that is E and E. Okay. So first example is I-M-A-G-E. Now in this 2 things are coming. First is, it is starting with vowel I and A is coming in between. So I have told you that if A vowel comes in between, its pronunciation will become A. And if the word is starting with I, so the pronunciation will become image. Image. Okay? The meaning is picture. Next one is CIL. In this, I is coming in between. That means the pronunciation is E. So, this pronunciation will be seal. Okay? Seal. Seal means eyelash. And third one is midi. So two eyes are coming in between. So first I is pronounced as E and second I is pronounced as E. So the pronunciation will become midi. Midi. Okay? This means noon. Now next comes vowel U. So it again has two pronunciations. One is U and the other one is U. So first example is U-N-E. The pronunciation is yun. Yun. That means a. This is an article that is used for feminine, that I will tell you in my further videos. Then if U is coming in between, then the pronunciation is U. So this will become frui. Frui. Okay? So from the word only you can guess that what is the meaning. The meaning is fruit. And the last one is F-U-T-U-R. So the first U is pronounced as U and the second U is pronounced as U. So the pronunciation will become futur. Futur. Okay? So this means future. Okay? So I have told you about three vowels. In my next video, I will tell you about vowel O and vowel E. So guys, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.